guys, welcome back. So today we will do an unboxing of the DJI OM4. I know this is not the new release, but I will tell you later why I purchased this one compared to the new DJI OM4. So let's check the box. Also, like this DJI OM4 has a different packaging inside. So first thing you will notice is they have now the sling pouch. Last time it's like a small bag only. So in the box we have the DJI OM4, the magnetic phone clamp, grip tripod, magnetic ring holder, the wrist strap, counterweight, power cable, and manual. And this one also have the works with Huawei Highlink. So it means like DJI Mimo, you can download it from if you're using a Harmony OS. So what's really good thing starting with the OM4 is that they're using magnetic clamp so that it's easier for you to mount the phone to the gimbal itself. If you can see that the magnetic quick mount, foldable and portable, quick roll, gesture, AI track, and story creator. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so here it's showing how you clamp the phone, how you position it, and where will you get the app. So this is the sling bag. Wow, it's really nice. I saw from those unboxing of the old OM4, they don't have this sling bag. So this one is yeah, DJI. Let's see anything here. Okay, nothing. Let's put out this one. Oh, okay, this is the manual. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, okay, so this is actually the guide, because this also comes with a sticker that you can stick on the back of the phone casing, so that you don't need to use the clamp to hold the phone. Okay, so let's close this one and put it back, and let's check the sling bag. Okay, here is it. Let's open and see what's inside. Okay, so we get the gimbal itself. Okay, the wrist strap. Oh, okay, so see, this is the magnet, the one you can stick behind the phone. And your power cable, counterweight, and a grip tripod. Oh, and also the strap for the sling bag. Okay, so that's it. Nothing already, but see the bag. Oh, side pouch. Wow, it's nice. Okay, so let's see the gimbal itself. So here is the OM4. Okay, so let's see the magnetic clamp. Wow, see how strong the magnet. So this one can hold up to 230 grams of the weight of the phone. So if we put this one, see, So the good thing with this one, so now I'm telling you why I choose this one compared to the new OM5. This one, you can plug a cable here, so while you're charging the gimbal, you can also plug your phone. The OM5 doesn't have that one. Next thing, this one have 2450 mAh battery compared to the OM5 only have 1000 mAh. So battery life means this one can stay up to 15 hours on paper, and the OM5 can only stay up to 6.4 hours. Okay, so but the advantage of the OM5, this part can extend and it can be used as like a selfie stick. And another thing, it actually weighs, I think, around less than 20 grams or 30 grams compared to this one. Yeah, but so far I'm really happy with this OM4. And price difference, I think extra 200 ringgit local in Malaysia. So I'm not really fond with the extending one, and I prefer the long battery life. That's why I choose this one. So this is my unboxing for the DJI OM4. So please check my next video as I'll be doing some testing with the DJI OM4. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.